Assalamu alaikum guys.
I hope you're all doing well, and I hope आप सब ठीक है.
So in today's video we're going to be surprising Urfa.
As you know, our big sister, she passed her exam, so this is her little gift, because we have online classes and we mostly need electronics, and we have online classes and my dad still has to do work and my mom, so we usually
So we since she passed her exam, we got her this laptop. So basically we got it from Curry's PC World, and so you can get like gadgets from there or any supplies for to do with electricity and stuff. So we got this for her. She's been wanting one for a long time as well. There's two reasons why we got it. The first one is because since everybody has to work from home because it's lockdown, we had to use like gadgets at home to do our online classes. So my dad needs his laptop and his iPad for work, and he's probably gonna start using this one. So he's gonna this one Arfa's gonna use, and then I'm gonna use my dad's laptop, and then Hasnat's gonna use either my mom's iPad or my dad's iPad. Or we could just swap around if we need, and we have a PC as well, so we could use that. So we just need lots of things because we're 5 people at home. We need to use them. Like our dad goes to work, so he needs to take the stuff with him, so then we have to, so he needs 2 things when he goes, so we just decide to get one more extra thing, so there will be enough. And the second reason Hasnat's going to tell you.
The second reason is that she passed exam and she gets this special laptop, which I'm kind of jealous of. And so she got white. The options were white, black, and silver. And the one we choose, because she likes this color, we choose white.
And also there was the outside option was a few other ones, and we chose rose gold. So that's what's inside this box. So the company is HP. So this video is not sponsored, but it's about unboxing this laptop. So we're gonna unbox it, but before that I wanted to tell you like the inches and stuff and how much it is. You can order it from home, but we did order it, but our dad went to get it. So there was home delivery or collect from the store. We chose collect from the store. So since it was lockdown, we weren't allowed to go, like a whole family, so our dad went to get it, and also children are not allowed to go into the store. So we're gonna call Urfa over, and then we're going to be unboxing this. Yeah, I'll tell you the description at the end. So I think she's coming in now anyways.
Urfa.
There she is. So,
oh my goodness, what is this?
So she doesn't know about it because we've hidden it from her. So we're gonna tell her what it is first.
Your favorite, you've been dreaming to have this. A HP laptop.
Does that mean it's mine?
Yeah.
Thank you, Hasnat and Zohar.
Also, it's the company is HP, but it's actually called a Pavilion laptop. So we're going to be unboxing it. So we got the scissors, and
I love this.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. before we begin to unpack this, I am very thankful of my dad and my mum and Hasna and Zaha, of course, for buying me a laptop. And in the future, as well as now, I am going to be using it a lot because, online lessons and stuff. So we're on another third national lockdown now, and well, you guys have to stay safe as well, and make sure you look after your family, and and make sure you look after your gadgets too. You can't buy gadgets every day, so look after your gadgets as well, because you don't want them to break down before 1 week ends.
Now she's going to open it up with the scissors, like cut the ceiling off because it's sealed.
And so we're gonna fast forward this bit and
go.
Okay guys, so it has been opened, and we're gonna start with the boring-ish stuff first, and we're not gonna open like the... Okay, so I'm gonna take out the charging cable first because I saw the boring thing. So it's the charging cable. So this is like the plugging inside. That's what it looks like. And then we have the bit that goes into the computer. Yeah, so this thing I believe goes in through the thing. Okay guys, this is like some foam sort of thing protecting it, so we're gonna have to be careful and take that out. Can you see that? Snart and Zaha are very excited as well. Okay, so now we're just going to move the box aside because that's not necessary anymore. So it comes with like an instruction leaflet, which you should use. And you just have to pull these things off, and then it will reveal your magical item. Bye. It will reveal your item. And this is what it looks like. There's another sort of setup instruction thing, and this is the instructions. This is a screen protecting sheet. So can you stop doing that? They're gonna be like really not want to. Okay, so this is a protection sheet. I believe you can sometimes take the black thing out and then put it in when you're not using your computer. As Hasna and Zaha's pick, because it's like a pink rose goldish color on the inside, and then we have the HP symbol, which is amazing.
Look at the keys.
So this is a brand new laptop. Up now, and then I will tell you what the setting up is like. I hope you liked it because I definitely love it. So this is the speakers, and then these are all the keys and stuff, and there's the mouse. So this is the laptop. It's also pink from the bottom as well. This is the Intel Core. It's the HP Pavilion laptop, and it's an Intel Core i5. It stores 512 GB. There's no optical drive in it. So it's a full HP IPS LED display. So me and Hassan and Zoha are just going to set up the laptop, and then we'll be back once we've set the laptop up. Okay, if you liked this video, then make sure you like, comment,
subscribe and comment,
and hit the bell and share with your friends and family. I want to say thank you to my family once again for getting this laptop, and I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support as well. And yeah, we'll see you in our next video. Bye.